A very good morning to all my dear students. This is your Ratsa, and we are meeting back after a long time. So I hope all of you are fine, well at home, and I hope all of your exam has gone well. So from today we are going to start our syllabus for annual examinations, and the total syllabus I'll give you in our next class. Uh, I have not yet finalized, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be giving your syllabus for annual examination. So don't worry, okay? So so please do well, and let's get back to the studies and with the new chapter. And this is our chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is Exponents and Powers. Okay, so today I'm going to start with the introduction video of exponent and power. It will take, I think, more time to explain you the formulas as I have written on your screen. You can see over there. So look at here, this is exponent and power. Okay, so in exponent and power there are two things you'll see. The number with the base. You please look at this side. Let us take this example, 2 cube. It's called 2 cube. 2 cube. Here the lower one is called base. The lower one is called base, and the upper one is the power or exponent. You can call it as a power or you can call it as a exponent. So it has two names, the upper one, but the lower one is always called base. Okay, okay, that's why I have written here the upper one is the power and the lower one is the base. Now this is formula number 1 or the exponent number 1. You can see here this is called a general form. Okay, that's why we have used the alphabet. Actually it will be a number, but to explain you, this is a general form, so we have written in the as alphabet. So a to the power m into a to the power n. What does it denote? Please understand it very carefully. Base is a, here also base is a. That means base are same, both the bases are same, isn't it? Okay, but the power is m over here and n over here. That means the powers are different. So remember one thing, when the base are same and there is a sign of multiplication between them. I am again repeating, when the base are same and there is a sign of multiplication between them, then the powers will be added. Then the powers will be added. Very simple. I have given you the examples as well. Like here, 2 and 2 is the same base with the sign multiplication. Now the powers will be added, so it will become 3 plus 4. It's here. So in place of 2 base, because the bases are same, so I'll write only one base, 2, and I'll add the powers, 3 plus 4, that is 2 to the power 7. Are you clear? Okay, let's move for one more example. 5 and 5 base are same, so multiplication is there. So base are same, multiply sign is there, so powers will be added, obviously. So it will be 5 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5 to the power 5. Are you clear? Okay, let me put our cell phone in the flight mode so we will not have any disturbance. Okay, let's move to formula number 2. See, formula 1 and 2 is almost same. Base is same in formula number 1. In number 2 also base will be same. Only difference is, in formula number 1 there will be sign of multiplication between the two base, but here we'll have a sign of division between the two base. Okay, so if there is a sign of multiplication between the two base, powers will be added, but if there is a sign of division between the two base, then the powers will be subtracted. That is the only difference we have. So remember, the first criteria for both of this formula is base should be same. If the base is same, you have to check what sign is used between them. If it is multiply, you'll add the power. If it is divide, you'll subtract the powers. So very simple. So I have given some general specific examples, like base is same, division is there, so this will be, powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 3, it's here, so the power is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Always remember, the first power you have to write in first when you subtract. Okay, now let's take this example. 2 cube 2 to the power 5. Now base is same, 2 divide is there, power will be subtracted. I told you the first power will have to write first, so it will become 3 minus 5. So you have to copy the sign of the greater number, minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2, so it will become 2 to the power minus 2. Are you clear? So this divide sign may be in this form also, so it is same. This is also 5 cube minus 5 square, divided by 5 square. So if divide is there, power will be subtracted. The upper one will be in the first and the lower power will be in the second. Okay, I have missed a thing over here. This will be 5. Please correct it when you copy this. This will be 5. Okay, this is not 2, my dears. This will be 5. Okay, so let's move to this one. Again, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 5. So the base are same, so divide is there, so one base will write, the upper power will write in first. 4 minus 5, so 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So this is how you have to implement these formulas. Okay, let's move to number 3. This is very easy. When one base has two powers, you can see here, A is a base, M and N is a power. So when one base has two powers will be multiplied. Are you getting my point? Powers will be multiplied. So a to the power m n is a to the power m into n. Like for this specific example, 2 to the power 3 whole 4. So I'll write 2 to the power 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. So this is very simple. When one base has two powers will be multiplied. It's very simple, isn't it? Okay, let's move to number 4. Now here you might be thinking this and this is quite same. No, it is not. Why? I'm telling you. Here you see the bases were same, but here you see the bases are different. Are you clear? Here the bases are same, A and A is same, but here it is A, it is B, so the bases are different. But here the powers are same. Are you clear? So when you get this kind of thing, when the powers are only same but the bases are different, then what you have to do is, instead of writing two powers, put these two in bracket, A into B. So both has m, so you'll write only one power m. Now let's come to the specific examples, like 2 cube into 3 cube. So both has same power, 3, but the bases are different, 2 and 3. So we'll write 2 into 3 power 3. So 2 3s are 6 cube. In the same way here also I have given one more example. 5 square 4 square is 5 into 4 whole square. So 5 4s are 20 square. So this is very simple. So that means if different base has same power, you can write only one power by putting a bracket. In a simple way I can say, if different base has same power, if a different base has same power with the multiplication sign, you can use a bracket and write only one power. Okay, and it is similarly applicable to number 6 formula also. when bases are different and the powers are same and divide is there, you will put it inside the bracket, you will write only one power. Okay, let's come to the specific examples. Like here, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3. So 2 and 3 different base, so you will write the base inside the bracket, 2 by 3. Power is same, so instead of writing 2 powers, I'll write only 1 power 3, because this 3 is for both the numbers, numerator also, for the denominator also. One more example, 5 square, 2 square, both has square power, so 5 by 2 I'll write in the bracket, so instead of writing 2 powers, I'll write only 1 power. Are you clear? Okay, this is very simple, my dears. Okay, let's come to number 5 now, and this is the easiest formula for this exponent and power. Any base in the world, like 1 to uncountable numbers, okay, any number has a power 0, any number has a power, any integer, whole number, natural number, if it has a power 0, the value is always 1. For example, 2 to the power 0, we will have to write 1. 3 to the power 0, you have to write 1. 100 to the power 0, you have to write 1. Minus 200 to the power 0, you have to write 1. If the power is 0, the value will be always 1. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. So this was an introduction video for this chapter. From the next class, we'll start our exercise. Okay, and please do mention the date. Today is 20th December 2020, and we are very soon waiting for the new year and hoping for a very good life in 2021, isn't it? Okay, wishing you in the advance happy new year, and once more, please stay at home and be safe, and hopefully we'll meet very soon. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, and we'll meet in the next class.